Hey Keith, what's new?
Hey, I'm glad you joined me. Hey, we do have a lot of new stuff again. Oh my goodness, boy, I'm excited. Hey, it's the beginning of the seminar season and I'm really excited, man. We had a whole lot of work, got the team together, we got our speakers together. Man, it's gonna be an awesome time this year. Of course, I'm kicking it off again at Mooresville here this coming weekend, okay, on the 30th and the 31st. It's a 2-day seminar. So Friday, our Friday session, we have diagnosing hydraulic problems. So that's going to be a special session from 6 to 9 on Friday the 30th in Mooresville. Then we're going to have our normal Saturday session starting at 8 o'clock. Make sure you get there in time to register though. Don't get there right at 8. That's when we're starting the whole show. So get there around 7:30 and see the vendors. And we're going to have a great time there in Mooresville at the UTI campus, the NASCAR campus. So it's an exciting place to be. And then on the next week, Jimmy Taylor and Steve Garrett, they're going to be in Glendale, Arizona, yes, for the Phoenix seminar. So we're excited about that. Make sure you get online, go to ATRA.com and go to the marketplace and register. Save your position, save your place. You want to get this information. We got the books out, everything is ready to go. So again, make sure that you get this need to know information so you can get cars in and out of your shop this year. So also coming up, working on Gears Magazine. We got a lot of articles coming up in March. We're working on the March edition here in January, late January, so a lot of things go on. And we've got a couple of writers coming back. We got Scott Schotten coming up in March, which I'm excited about. He was able to rejoin us and he's going to be writing articles again. Also, there's a new writer from Sonics that's going to join us. His name is Caleb Perham. And he's going to be doing some torque converter talk for us in the Gears magazine. Make sure that you check out Gears. Also, Jimmy Taylor and Bill Brayton, they're going to be talking to us in Gears as well with their articles. So again, exciting stuff happening, and we're constantly researching, constantly getting new stuff. As a matter of fact, there's some good information coming out from Bill Brayton on our Generation 3 10L80 valve bodies. That valve body where there's no information, it's like, okay, what do I got here? This looks different, but it kind of looks the same as a Generation 2. We're getting a breakdown for that. That's going to be coming up hopefully within the week. So we're really excited about all the things that we're doing here for the industry. That's what we're here for. We're here to support you. And we're the ones to do it. We're the only ones, we're the biggest, and we're the best. And again, we're here for you so you can get cars in and out of your shop from diagnosis to delivery efficiently. Hey, it's a great day to fix transmissions, so let's get started.